Hello guys, welcome back once again, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to download the Kali Linux and VMware player and how to install the VMware player. And what you have to do is it's very simple. Just to open up the browser and search for the kali.org, kali.org/downloads. And here is the site kali.org/downloads, and it will up the downloads page of the Kali website. And here you have Kali Linux Lite 64-bit, Kali Linux Lite ARM. What Lite is, it does not have actually a lot of packages in build, but what we are going to download is Kali Linux 64-bit. It comes with a inbuilt packages that are very useful. So it's actually 3.0 GB, 3 GB of file. And if you want to download the full, there are others full that comes with the all packages. It is almost 12 GB or maybe 15 GB, but we don't need all the packages. If we need any package, we can download that later after the installation, but this is the basic which we need. Or you can download either the Lite, because it's very good to download this if you have a less RAM on your system. So what I am going to do is I'm going to download 64-bit because I have a 64-bit machine. If you have a 32-bit machine, then click on the 32-bit. How you can see what's your system, is it either 64-bit or 32-bit? And what you have to do is just minimize this and the browser, and click on this and click the properties. Now you will see here it is the 64-bit operating system based on 64-bit processor. If you have a 64 based processor, you can download both, either 32-bit system operating system, or you can download install the 32-bit operating system. So if you want to download 32-bit, you can do it. So download any one of them. So I'm gonna download the 64-bit. So if you wanna click the torrent, what it will do is it will download a simple file that you have to open in the torrent, and it will download there. But if you click on the HTTP, it will download the directly in the browser. So I'm gonna download the HTTP because I don't have torrent installed. So click on the HTTP, and now it will download up the Kali Linux for us. Here it is downloading. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel because I already have downloaded it. So what we need next is the VMware player. So open the new tab and click on VMware player and click enter. You have to click on this link, or you can download it here. It will go to the official website of the VMware workstation. So what you have to do is, you can, if you are using the Windows, then you can download this, or if you are using the Linux, then you have to download this, because it supports for the both operating systems. If you are using Ubuntu and want to install the Kali Linux on Ubuntu as a workstation, as a virtual operating system, then you can download the Linux. But we are using Windows, so I'm gonna download the Windows one. So I will download it. So now I'm gonna pause video for a few seconds, for a few minutes, until it gets downloaded completely. Okay. Here now we have the both the Kali Linux and the VMware player. Here I have cancelled the Kali Linux because I already have it. So what we are going to do is we are going to open up the folder where it is downloaded, and we will install the VMware player. So just double click on it, just accept, we click yes, and we will see the VMware workstation player is here running. If you want to be a professional, if you need it for a professional use, then you have to download the VMware Workstation Pro. It is actually expensive, but you have to if you are basic, because it does not actually support all the functionalities that VMware Workstation Pro supports. It's gonna take a few seconds here. Now it's preparing for the installation, and we'll wait again because it might take a few minutes. So in here what you have to do is click on the next, and it will show up the license terms. Just accept the license terms and click next again. And what it shows as enhanced keyboard driver, a reboot will require after you can enhance this, because if you want to use the keyboard in the virtual player, it will use it, but still it might be enhancing the driver, because so that it might work better. So we will click on it, we will select this, and we will say next. Here if you wanna your workstation player to check for the updates regularly, so that you might get the latest updates for it, so you can check this one. And it's for the customer experience improvement program. So suppose if you have some problems with the workstation player, you can send them and they can fix it. So we will click on the next because we have both. Now it shows me that do you want to create a desktop, the shortcut in on the desktop or start menu programs. I will create on both, so I will click next. And what it shows is it shows click upgrade to begin the installation. It might show the installation here if you are using it first time, because I have already installed it. Here you can see VMware workstation 14, but it is the workstation 15, that's why I downloaded it. Otherwise I was thinking about not to download it, but when I see it's the 15, so I choose to download. Now I'm gonna upgrade, but if you are installing it the first time, it might show that install, so you have to click on that. Now you have to wait for the installation. I will pause video once again until it gets the installed. Here we are back, and it's almost done. And now it was the next step after the installation, so I don't have skipped any installation after pause of the video. So it is now done. So what we have to do is done. We have to, and it says you wanna restart your computer or you wanna restart it manually later. So it's on your choice. If you want to restart it now, so you can restart, click yes, or I will click no because I want to restart it manually later, so I will click no. Now here is, you can see I have workstation 15 as it was the workstation 14 before the installation. So if I will click on here it, and we'll see what it is. Now here I have the free. Now it shows do you want to do you have a license, enter it here, or you can use it for the non-commercial use. So I want to use it for the non-commercial use, and I will click on continue and finish. Now here we have our VMware workstation player 15, and it's written here non-commercial use only. So I have already installed here OpenBSD and Kali. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe.